Hi guys, today I'll show you how to use the brake hold system in the Toyota RAV4. To turn on the system you need to press this button. You will see the green indicator on the dash, and when the system is working you will also see the yellow hold indicator. Let's see how it works. This system is perfect in stop and go traffic. So currently we are at an intersection. When I press my brake pedal, you will see the yellow hold indicator on the dash. So now I can release the brake pedal and the car is not going anywhere. It is being held by this system. As soon as traffic starts to move, I simply need to press the gas pedal and we can continue driving. The system will release brakes. The system will keep working until you manually turn it off or shut the vehicle off. And again, as soon as we come to a full stop, the hold indicator appears, which means that the brake hold system is holding the car in place right now. I can rest my foot. I don't have to press the brake pedal right now, and as soon as this traffic starts to move, we simply press the gas pedal and keep going. The brakes have been released now. Now I'm going to point out a few important things you have to be aware when you use the brake hold system. The first one, let's say if you stop and your brake hold system is on, you need to know that after 3 minutes your parking brake will automatically apply and will show you. So currently we are just waiting for this to happen. First, the car will give us a warning, press brake to maintain brake hold, and if you don't do that, shortly after the parking brake will be applied. As you can see right now we are still in drive and the parking brake automatically applied. Now if I press the gas pedal now, this will release the emergency parking brake and we still can drive away. When the brake hold system is used to apply brakes, it is using the hydraulic brakes in the vehicle. When the parking brake is used, it is using the electric component in the brake system to hold the vehicle in place. Another point you have to be aware of is brake hold system has another limitation. It may not work on very steep inclines, and right now we'll try to test it by stopping on this hill. So I'll put in drive, press the brake hold button, the system is working, and I'll start driving. I'm going to stop right here and press the brake pedal, and immediately we actually get a warning. Brake hold warning, press brake on slope. So I don't see the yellow hold indicator, which means that at this angle the system won't properly hold the vehicle in place. And now when I release the brake pedal, it is holding it for now, but you see the vehicle starts to roll down, so the system can't hold it in place. So I have to manually press the brake pedal. This is something you have to be aware when you use the brake hold system on steep inclines. Another thing I want to mention is you can only turn on the brake hold system when your door is closed and you have your seat belt on. If I try to unbuckle while the system is working, we'll get this warning: EPB automatically applied, which means that the vehicle applied the parking brake. Now, if you try to drive away in this situation, when you have your emergency brake applied and you're not wearing the seat belt, this will happen. So I'll press the gas pedal and the vehicle is not going anywhere. The emergency brake is still applied. To take off, you will have to release the emergency brake. Now the vehicle will drive. But of course you still have to put on your seatbelt. Now, if I try to open the door while the system is working, let's see what happens. We get this warning. First of all, we have the buzzer, and the vehicle told us shift to P before exiting the vehicle. Only now the warning message disappears. This way the vehicle tries to prevent us from leaving the vehicle with only the brake hold system holding the vehicle in place. The brake hold system is not designed for parking. It's only meant to be used for short periods of time when you stop at the intersection or in traffic. If for some reason you decide to leave the vehicle while the brake hold system is on, like now, the vehicle is in drive and the brake hold system is holding the car. If, let's say, you want to shut the vehicle down and leave, so this will happen. The car basically immediately starts to roll, and as you can see, we don't have any power right now and it's still in drive. So be very careful with that. Try to not forget that the brake hold system is not meant for parking. To properly park the vehicle, you have to follow these steps every time. You have to press the brake pedal, put the vehicle into park, and you have to see this red light. This means that the parking brake has been activated. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this information was helpful. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.